process for siding installation is specific to what type of siding we're doing. There's two types of siding. There's structural siding and non-structural siding. The differences in structural siding and non-structural siding, or first envelope and second envelope siding. The first envelope siding is a structural siding. The main purpose of that siding, outside of protecting your home from the weather and the elements, is tying or racking your house together. It structurally holds your house together from shifting and moving. Second envelope siding, if you want to look at it as in, we're taking your house and we're wrapping a sweater around it to keep it warm. Okay, we're adding a new look, a new aesthetic look. We can add R value, but we're adding a second layer of protection on top of your structural siding, and that would be considered a second envelope siding. Once a customer picks what type of siding they want to do, we would go in and we would prepare the house. We're going to leave the structural siding on the home. We're going to repair and replace any wood rot or structurally damaged structural siding. It's the bottom, usually 12 to 16 inches, that have absorbed water and where the most water damage is. So a lot of times we'll go in and we'll cut the bottom pieces out, and we have to replace it with a structural siding, usually an OSB siding product, before we add the new second envelope siding on top of it. And then we're going to wrap the house in a wind and rain proof barrier. We call it Tyvek. And again, it's a plastic that prevents wind and moisture from getting into the home or to the original structural. At that point, we're going to wrap the house with your new siding and new trim. And that is kind of the general process. When we're finished, we do all the touch-ups, rehang your gutters, and clean up the job site, and we're out of your hair. Depending on the size of the project and the product that we install, most of our siding projects, no matter a small siding project might take 4 to 5 days. A large siding project could take a week and a half to 2.5 weeks. Crews can be anywhere from 2 to 6 or 7 guys at a time. Again, timetable is going to depend on single story, 2-story, again, the type of material that we're adding to your home, PVC, cement board, vinyl. As with all construction projects, it is an inconvenience, but it all happens on the outside of the home, not the inside of the home. So even when we're working, there'll be debris and stuff around the house. There can be, saws going, nail guns, hammering, screw guns, but again, it's all on the outside of the house, not the inside of the house.